right, so are you ready to dive into this? We're taking a look at Shiba Inu price predictions today.
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
And, meme coins,
Yeah.
they're kind of all over the place, right? Sometimes they make you a ton of money, and other times
Right.
they kind of just disappear.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we'll see what the analysts are saying about Shiba Inu.
Yeah, it is really interesting how the meme coins have been, like, taking a hit recently.
Yeah.
But Eshad, it seems like it's doing okay.
It dipped, what, like 2% today?
Yeah, it's that.
And then like 8% over the week. But,
Yeah.
I mean, that's not too bad compared to...
Yeah, I think it's actually a really good sign that it's that stable.
Right.
It could be that it has a really strong foundation.
Yeah, like it's not just going to go away tomorrow.
Right, exactly. And it might not be as influenced by, like, the whims of the market as much.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was reading that one analyst is predicting that the price could surge like 50% if it breaks through this resistance level at 0.00000025.
That's a big one.
Yeah. So
a lot of selling pressure there historically.
Oh, really?
If it breaks through, that could be a huge shift.
Oh, wow.
Could bring in a lot of new buyers, too.
And we are just 3% away from that level.
Oh, wow.
So it'll be interesting to see what happens.
Yeah, and did you see that there was a massive withdrawal of SIB tokens from exchanges?
No, I didn't see. Oh,
Yeah.
What was that about?
Almost 1.7 trillion.
1.7 trillion?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's a lot.
Yeah, and that could show that people are moving to, like, self-custody.
Okay.
Keeping it in their own wallets.
Interesting.
So it could mean that they're in it for the long haul.
Oh, so they really believe in the project.
Yeah, and I think they're choosing to keep their assets safe themselves.
So if there's less SI available to sell, that could make the price go up.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Less supply, higher demand, basic economics.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So we've got this potential short-term pump. But what about the long-term outlook?
Yeah.
I know another analyst who's saying that they're really, really bullish on SHIB. They think it could even reach a new all-time high.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why do they think that?
So there's a couple things. First of all, there's just been a huge surge of interest from retail investors.
Yeah, that always helps.
And so that's going to translate into more buying pressure.
Right. And when people get really excited about something, it just keeps going up and up.
Yeah, it's like a snowball.
Yeah, exactly.
But I think what's really got this analyst excited is Shibarium.
Shibarium.
Yeah, so this is Shiba Inu's own layer 2 scaling solution.
Okay.
And it's supposed to make transactions on the network a lot faster and cheaper.
So is it like a way to make it easier to use?
Exactly, like a lot more practical for everyday use.
Okay.
So that means it's not just about the meme anymore.
Yeah.
It's about actually like building a functional ecosystem.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So we've got analysts predicting these short-term pumps, and we've got some long-term potential.
Okay.
I guess the question is, what's driving this buzz?
Right. Is it just hype?
Yeah.
Or is it something more?
Yeah. Is there something more substantial going on here?
Well, to figure that out,
we
should look at the mechanics of this meme coin.
Okay.
And especially the burning program that's been making headlines.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's talk about that.
Yeah. Yeah. So the Shiba Inu burning program is actually pretty interesting.
Okay.
Basically, it's this mechanism that permanently removes SAB tokens from circulation.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen headlines about millions of SO being burned or whatever.
Right.
But how does that actually work?
So it's all about supply and demand.
Okay.
By reducing the total supply of SAB.
Yeah.
The burning program is supposed to make the remaining tokens more scarce.
Okay.
And theoretically more valuable.
So like a controlled deflation.
Exactly.
Kind of shrinking the pool of tokens.
Right. And a lot of crypto projects are trying this out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, with all different kinds of burning mechanisms.
Huh. Interesting.
It's a popular strategy these days.
But with trillions of EBIB out there.
Yeah.
Doesn't burning a few million seem kind of insignificant?
Well, it might seem like a drop in the ocean, but the scale of it is actually pretty big.
Yeah.
Like, just in the last 24 hours, over 11.5 million SEB tokens were burned.
Wow.
And overall, over 410 trillion SEB have been permanently removed.
410 trillion?
Yeah, since the program began.
Wow. That's got to have some kind of effect on the price.
Yeah, for sure. It plays a role.
Okay.
But it's not just about, like, the immediate price impact.
Okay, so what else is it about then?
It's also a signal to the market.
Oh, what kind of signal?
Like the Shiba Inu team.
Yeah.
They're committed to supporting the value of the token in the long term.
Okay.
They're actively managing the supply, you know.
So it shows that they believe in the project.
Exactly. They're trying to create a more deflationary environment.
Okay, so looking at the long term,
Yeah.
with all these developments and stuff.
Right.
Where does SE fit in with the rest of the crypto world?
That's the big question, isn't it?
Yeah. Is it just a meme coin riding this wave, or could it actually become something more?
And that's what everyone's debating. You know, you've got this incredibly strong community. They're driving the price, creating all this buzz.
Yeah, it's like a grassroots movement almost.
Exactly. It's amazing. Like, traditional finance can only dream of this kind of organic growth.
For sure.
Really shows the power of decentralization and community ownership in crypto.
Okay. But what about the actual utility of Ishub? I mean, can it go beyond just being a meme?
Well, that's where Shiba Inu comes in.
Okay.
It's not just about faster, cheaper transactions.
Yeah.
It's about building a platform for developers to create dApps, you know.
Oh, so we could see things built on Shiba Inu.
Exactly. Like decentralized exchanges, gaming platforms, maybe even social media networks.
Wow. Okay, so it could be more than just speculative.
Yes, it has the potential at least.
Yeah, but there's still risks.
Oh, absolutely.
Crypto's unpredictable.
Definitely. You got to be careful.
Yeah, especially with meme coins.
Meme coins are especially volatile. Yeah.
So what are some of the things that investors should be aware of?
Well, one thing is competition.
Oh, yeah.
There are so many new meme coins popping up all the time.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah, and Shiba's going to have to keep innovating to stay relevant.
Okay, and then what about regulations?
Yeah, the regulatory landscape is still a bit of a mess.
It's like the Wild West out there.
Exactly, and any new rules could really shake things up.
Okay, so we've got all this potential, but also these risks.
Yeah?
So much hype, but also innovation.
It's a fascinating mix.
Where do you think Shiba is going from here?
Yeah, it's really hard to say for sure. I mean, predicting the future of any crypto is tough.
Yeah.
Especially a meme coin.
Right.
But Shiba, it's like a perfect example of this tension between speculation and innovation that's everywhere in crypto.
It really is like a microcosm of the whole crypto world.
Exactly. Like you have this huge community driving the price, all the hype, the adoption, and then you've got these developers in the background quietly building the infrastructure.
Yeah, trying to make it actually useful.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a tough balance.
It is.
Between riding the hype wave and building something sustainable.
And that's what makes it so interesting.
Totally.
Will the hype fade away, or will they really pull it off?
I guess we'll have to wait and see.
Yeah.
This is what keeps things interesting, though, right?
Oh, yeah.
The crypto world is always changing.
Uh-huh.
It's full of surprises.
You never know what's going to happen next.
It's like this giant experiment.
It really is.
Happening in real time.
And Shiba is right there at the forefront.
Yeah, pushing the boundaries.
Yeah, challenging all the old ideas.
And reminding us that even a meme can start a revolution.
It's pretty amazing.
So if you're listening out there, keep an eye on HAPS.
Pay attention.
It might be a meme coin.
Yeah.
But it has a mission.
Right.
Its journey could tell us a lot about the future of crypto.
And, you know, thinking about the bigger picture, it really shows how important community is, innovation and being open to new things.
Right.
Those are the things that are shaping the future of finance.
Yeah, and Shiba is leading the way.
It's a really exciting time.
It is. In crypto, anything is possible.
Yeah.
A meme coin can become a global phenomenon. A decentralized community can challenge the establishment.
Right.
And who knows?
Yeah.
Maybe the future finance will be a lot more fun.
I hope so.
Yeah, than we ever thought.
Me too.
All right, that's all the time we have for our deep dive into Shiba Inu. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
And until next time, happy investing.
Yeah, good luck out there.
May your portfolios be evergreen.